Here's my 12-inch speaker cabinet design, and I'd like to talk a little bit about a problem I'm having generating a drawing from this baffle. This piece up here in the front, this is the baffle that connects the speaker to the cabinet, and it is drawn on a plane at an angle, and that angle is generated by the length of the top and by the length of the bottom, and I dynamically create that angle of the plane, and then from there, then I draw I have a sketch on that angled plane, and then I extrude the baffle out, this piece here. So let's create the drawing of the baffle first. And we will just the baffle. And we'll change the scale of it. We'll put a dimension on here from the top down to the bottom down here. And it is 14.68. Okay. So let's do a little measurement over here of this. We'll do that point to this point, and we see that's 14.8. We turn this right hand side off, and you'll see in here 14.68. All right, so it's not really measuring this distance from the top to the bottom. What it's really measuring is the distance of this piece as it is projected onto the plane in the drawing and giving me that distance instead. This gets a little more severe if I change the angle of the angled plane by changing the top depth. Then the actual baffle top to bottom distance gets taller, gets longer, because it'll be over like at an angle like this, but this distance here will be about the same. So that's the problem. I don't know, and you can actually see that over here because my holes now have a top and a bottom showing the back side of the baffle. So I don't know how to get this thing to project on such that it maintains the actual axis of the angled plane that I extruded this baffle from. I hope that makes sense.